The Itajaí Valley region, located in the Brazilian state of Santa Catarina, has characteristics favorable to industrial development and over the years has become one of the world's largest textile industry centers. As a consequence, negative environmental impacts have increased considerably in the region. As such, RIOVIVO Ambiental started its activities in 1995 in the town of Brusque, with the aim of meeting the effluent treatment needs of the local textile industries and returning better quality water to the Itajaí River. The company constantly invests in research in order to offer its clients economically viable solutions that can add value to their business, as well as benefiting the community through responsible human and environmental development. Jointly with its client, local government and employees, RIOVIVO set up an integrated sewage treatment plant, STP, in Brusque, which to this day is the largest such plant in Santa Catarina, having the capacity to treat 1,000 cubic meters of industrial and sanitary effluents per hour. This being the equivalent to the treatment needs of 400,000 inhabitants. Besides offering environmental engineering services, the company also has an industrial landfill located in Gaspar, Santa Catarina, which is used for the final disposal of the residues generated. Textile industry effluent. Effluent is liquid waste. In the textile industry, it is characterized by an abundant quantity of water, fibers, diluted pigments, and high temperatures and must be treated before it can be discharged into the environment. The effluent reaches the treatment station through RIOVIVO's 34-kilometer pressured pipe collection network, or in tanker trucks that collect the effluent from the companies. The effluent's characteristics and composition undergo rigid control and analysis in RIOVIVO's own laboratory that is equipped to perform physical, chemical, and biological tests. In this way, RIOVIVO ensures the high quality of its services. RIOVIVO has what is known as deep shaft system. The shaft is 60 meters deep and provides better performance in relation to conventional systems. This technique is highly efficient in the removal of the pollutant load and is complemented by chemical and physical treatment that results in treated water that meets the rigorous standards required by the environmental bodies. When the effluent reaches the STP, it is concentrated in a receiver pit, where its characteristics are analyzed. Afterwards, it is placed in a pond that functions like a lung, as well as homogenizing, cooling, and also being able to be used in emergencies. The effluent is moved onto the equalization system, where aeration occurs with the use of diffusers before going to neutralization system, where the water pH is corrected. The effluent then reaches the deep shaft, which is a system that occupies only a small area. At this stage, the effluent is intensively oxygenated under high pressure, providing highly efficient biological treatment within a compact area, avoiding the proliferation of others. After the deep shaft process, the effluent is taken to the degasser, where saturated gases like nitrogen need to be released. The next phase occurs in the decanters, where solids, sludge, are separated from the liquid. The liquid part receives chemical and physical treatment to remove color and residual solids. The solid part goes to the compactor, where it is centrifuged before being taken to the Class 2A industrial sanitary landfill. In a nutshell, the treatment plant STP receives dirty, dark, foul-smelling water and returns it to the river clean and odorless. Solid residues. RIOVIVO's landfill has been in operation since 1999 and was planned to meet demand over the following 20 years, receiving solid residues exclusively classified as Class 2A. These are residues with properties such as combustibility, biodegradability, or solubility in water. The solid residue generated through water or effluent treatment, known popularly as sludge, represents the solid part of the treatment and is also subject to rigid environmental control. Using the best operational techniques and continuous monitoring through 12 shafts, RIOVIVO's landfills is controlled in such a way as to guarantee the isolation of the residues, preserving the soil, the air, and the water resources present in the surrounding surfaces and subsoil. Services. RIOVIVO offers a wide range of services, including in particular projects for water and effluent treatment plants, using the most advanced technology, as well as water supply systems, sanitary and industrial effluent treatment and collection. In addition to control, research and loss reduction in distribution and production systems. It also offers constructions and installation services for water supply systems and sanitary and effluent treatment systems. With regard to operations and management, RIOVIVO operates both its own water and effluent treatment plants, such as the Brusque STP, and also those of third parties. It operates the final disposal of solid residues from effluent treatment systems in its own specialized landfill, and also works with the catchment and treatment of sanitary and industrial landfill leachate. RIOVIVO's clients receive environmental certification from the Environmental Authority, and RIOVIVO is also registered and has the necessary licenses issued by the Regional Engineering, Architecture and Agronomy Council, the Regional Chemistry Council, the Federal Police and Brusque Borough Council, demonstrating its responsibility in relation to the environment through investments in technological resources, research and staff training. RIOVIVO seeks to improve the quality of life in the community where it operates, offering innovative solutions, in addition to having its activities duly inspected and approved by the environmental bodies. Trustworthiness, hard work, credibility, and concern with the environment are RIOVIVO's hallmark. RIOVIVO is a pioneer company in its segment in Brazil. It works towards the future, a future that transforms and improves people's quality of life, providing ideal environment conditions for urban development. RIOVIVO, quality treatment.